I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both ends, your AirPods and your Xbox audio path. Pairing AirPods to another device ensures they work. Once done, plug a controller with a 3.5 mm jack or use the Microsoft headset adapter. Next, connect a compatible Bluetooth transmitter to the controller's audio port. This device bridges Xbox chat audio to AirPods. Make sure the transmitter supports microphone pass-through and low-latency codecs, so your voice won't lag or drop during play. With hardware ready, pair the AirPods to the transmitter. Put the transmitter in pairing mode, then place your AirPods in their pairing state and wait for confirmation. Once connected, return to the Xbox and adjust chat mixer settings, lower game volume if needed so you hear teammates. If using an optical or USB transmitter, ensure the Xbox audio output matches that device. You do this because the console must route party/chat audio through the transmitter for the AirPods to receive and send voice. Now test microphone functionality by joining a party or using the Xbox Test Mic tool. Speak and listen for your own transmission and teammate feedback. If you're not heard, make sure the transmitter supports mic input and repair both ends. Sometimes switching codecs or restarting the transmitter fixes Bluetooth profile conflicts. If problems persist, fallback options include using a wired headset, the Xbox wireless headset, or the Xbox mobile app for voice chat. These give reliable mic input while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.